Most difficult derivative question ever. Now, if you weren't here on Friday, this is going to be, can I talk please, guys? This is going to be the most difficult question if you had to do this before. We're going to say find f prime of x if f of x equals 3x to the 50 minus 6x to the 4 plus 3 over x to the 7. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys about 1 minute to try this out. Now, if you weren't here on Friday, you're going to say, well, Mr. Sadler, that looks evil. Like, that would take me the rest of my book, pages in my book, to solve this question. And by the way, I heard also that you guys talk badly about me behind my back. That's what Bailey told me on whatever your net beans or whatever you guys talking on there. See, group chat, and whatever it is. And if that's true, that's okay. You're allowed to after this. Because I did actually. I know it is. That's why I want to mess with this over. So, okay, can I get a brave soul to do two things? Number one, take the derivative of the first term, and number two, explain to the people that weren't here on Friday how you did it. Can somebody take the first term for me and tell me what the derivative is going to be? Austin, go.
I got 150x.
Okay, we'll stop right there.
It also smells like a boy's locker.
That's my fault, probably. 3x to the 50. Now, hold on, let's explain how we got that. For those that weren't here, which is about half of you. So, Chris, go ahead. How did you get that?
So basically, you grab the exponent and times it by the coefficient, which got him 150, and then generally with the power, you do minus 1 of power.
Not generally, always.
Always, yeah.
So what happened was the power 50 changed to power 49, and then you times 3 times 50 to give you 150. Okay? Can I get a second person to tell me how to do negative 6x to the 4? Matt, go.
Negative 24x to the 3.
Very good. Okay, now how we got that one more time was the power 4 dropped down to the power 3. And I'm doing this for the people that weren't here on Friday, right? The power 4 drops down to the power 3, and then 6 times negative 4 is negative 24. Now this one here, I tried to be mean and confuse you guys. Can somebody be brave and tell me how to do 3 over x to the 7? Yuck. Haley, go ahead. Okay, guys, stop. It's very rude. Just try to answer here, please, okay? So I didn't hear it one more time.
So when it got like 3x.
Yeah, that would be the first step, is sort of doing that in between step. Okay? Now it's in the same form as rest. Continue on, please. What does that turn into? Negative 8. So the same rule applies, right? The power drops to go 1 down to negative 8, so negative 7 minus 1 is negative 8, and the coefficient squared. That's what we did on Friday. Okay? What we did not do is any word problems, and don't worry, there's lots of word problems today, but I want to go through a few from the homework on the weekend. Emma, can you choose one of your favorites? Because everyone is listed on the board there. Choose one of your favorites. We can do it right now, please. 27? Yeah. What are your 2 questions? I'll go somebody's book, please. 27 says, determine the values of A and B. Such that f of x equals ax cubed plus bx squared plus 3x minus 2, and f of 2 equals 10. Oh. And f prime of negative 1 equals 14. Okay, please put a star on a heart beside this question, okay, because this is one of my favorites. I think this is going to die on me today, because this is where the key is coming from, actually. Right here. But anyway. Okay. Now, first of all, do not be discouraged by this question. It looks scary because it's number 27. So don't just say it's number 27, I can't do it, because you can. When it says f of 2 equals 10, what the heaven does that mean? Okay, not all at once here. Yeah, go ahead, Alistair. Good. So what it means is 10 equals a times 2 cubed plus b times 2 squared plus 3 times 2 minus 2. So everyone see how I got that? Right, I took the original equation and I subbed into lots of different places for x. Okay, and then it simplifies down. Can someone be brave other than Chris? Sorry, Chris, I'm studying on this question. And simplify that down for me, please. Somebody neaten that up a little bit. Can somebody please neaten that up for me? Austin, go. Yeah, I'm gonna call that, yeah.
Plus 4b.
Yeah.
Plus 6.
Yeah, and that's why I just got a simplify. I think I'm going to Spider-Man here to give everyone a chance. Sorry, Chris, I'm going to Spider-Man.
Alright.
I'm going to need that up, that's a 4, so I'm going to say, yeah, 6 equals. Okay, so things are starting to look good. Are there any questions on how that came, where that came from? Please be brave. Okay, so all I did was it says f of 2 is equal to 10. So what that means is replace all your x's with a 2, and then the answer is going to equal 10. So 10 is going to go on the left-hand side because that's what it equals. And everywhere I saw an x, I just plugged in a 2. What's that, sorry?
The other one.
Oh, this one here I'm going to do right now. F prime, okay? All right, Teresa. If f of x is equal to ax cubed plus bx squared plus 3x minus 2, what is f prime of x equal to, please?
Oh, is that just like, like just limited to the same?
Yeah, do the derivative there, okay? What's, sorry?
Like a times negative.
No, careful. We're taking the derivative here, right? What's the derivative of just x cubed? What's the derivative of x cubed? 3x squared, right? Okay, because f prime means numbers. Okay, I know it's Monday. It's okay. It's okay. All right. With that knowledge, you can do the next one for me. What's the derivative of bx squared?
That's just 2x is 2x.
2bx. We have. Right, because the b still needs to come there. The derivative of 3x is
3x. Oh, 3.
just 3, and then the 2 goes to 0. Okay. Now this, I think, probably was the difficulty for this question. Is just getting that lined up. Okay. All right, Noah. I know that f prime of negative 1 is equal to 14, so how does that help for this question, please? Yeah. So it's going to go 14 equals 3a times negative 1 squared plus 2b times negative 1 plus 3. And I'll neat that up because I'm good like that. So I have 14 equals 3a minus 2b plus 3. And this is not working. Now, what have I given you? Or what have you given yourselves, more likely? What do we have here finally? Yeah, go ahead.
You can like isolate both of them to do like a equals a or b.
Yeah. We have 2 equations, 2 unknowns. You can use elimination or substitution. Now, Derek's not here today, but he likes elimination. I'm going to go do Derek's way today and do elimination. Why does it make sense to use elimination here instead of substitute? I love substitution, don't get me wrong. Substitution is beautiful. What's the problem though, Austin, for substitution in this one?
Well, we have we're going to have fractions and we have a positive 2b and a negative
Yeah, there'll be fractions, and because you have a positive 2b and a negative 2b, it looks to me like you can substitute fairly easily. Just so you know, one last time, the heat's coming from this, so I'm gonna turn it off after this example. Okay, I hope it'll calm down and get a little cooler here. It's like pumping heat from here. Okay, then the other equation is 3 equals 4a plus 2b. Alright, Cecilia, will I be adding those or subtracting those? You'll be adding. How can you tell that you're adding? Yeah, the 2b and the negative 2b, right? Now, the reason I'm saying this on the midterm, some people forgot and they decided to subtract for some reason. Look, this marker is lying on me too. Okay, then I'm going to sub this back into here. Can you confirm that for me? A equals 2, B equals negative 5 over 2. Does that look good?
Would you get the same answer if you put it into the first equation or the second?
Yes, yes. And the same thing, if you were doing substitution, you would have got the same answer as well. Okay. All right, so I'm going to stop the video. You guys offended if I write on the whiteboard today because that's, again, I'm a little worried there's going to be a heat problem here. We're good? Everyone else is warm in this class too? Put the heat pump in there, that's fine. That turns off, hopefully. Okay. Was there anything else